Let's talk about engineering, a field that shapes our world in countless ways. It's a discipline that's constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Engineering is a world of building, fixing, and improving everything from cars and infrastructure to computers and cutting-edge technology. It's about innovation, problem-solving, and creating solutions that make our lives better. Most people think you need years immersed in lecture halls and textbooks at university, dedicating significant time and resources to formal education. But there's another way, a path less traveled but equally rewarding: engineering apprenticeships. It's a hands-on, learn-by-doing approach that's gaining popularity. In the UK, apprenticeships offer a unique opportunity. They let you earn a salary from day one, providing financial stability while you learn. You gain real, practical experience from day one, immersing yourself in the world of engineering from the very start of your career. Instead of just reading about engines in a textbook, you get your hands dirty and help build them, understanding the intricacies of their design and function firsthand. Instead of studying theory in isolation, you see it in action, witnessing how principles translate into real-world applications and tangible results. This hands-on approach, combining practical skills with theoretical knowledge, is attracting young people who are eager to make a difference. They want a direct path to a great career, one where they can contribute meaningfully and see the impact of their work. Companies, in turn, need practical problem solvers, individuals who can think on their feet and apply their knowledge to overcome challenges. And apprenticeships deliver exactly that, producing skilled and resourceful engineers ready to tackle real-world problems. It's a partnership, a collaborative effort between the apprentice, the company, and the educational institution. The company trains you, providing hands-on experience and mentorship from seasoned professionals. The college teaches you, providing the theoretical foundation and academic knowledge necessary to excel in your field. And you get both education and experience, a powerful combination that sets you up for success in the competitive world of engineering. Why does this matter for India, a nation with a burgeoning economy and a vast pool of untapped talent? Because millions of talented young Indians, eager to contribute to their country's growth, could benefit immensely from a similar system. Imagine bridging the gap from classroom to career, empowering young people with the skills and experience they need to thrive in the modern workforce. India could lead the way in developing a world-class apprenticeship program, fostering innovation and driving economic growth. Let's dive in and see how this works, exploring the benefits and challenges of engineering apprenticeships and their potential to transform the future of engineering in India. So, how do UK engineering apprenticeships work? You're hired as a real employee with a contract, salary, and paid holidays. The company covers all your training costs, no student debt. You split your week most days on the job, one day at college learning theory. You gain practical skills like programming robots or designing parts, while studying the science behind them. Apprenticeships come in levels. Start after school, move up to higher or even degree apprenticeships. Top firms sponsor you for a university degree while you work. You finish with a degree, years of experience, and no debt. The secret? Industry and education work together. Companies help design the training. What you learn matches what employers need, so you're job ready from day one. It's a system built for real-world success. Let's step inside the workshop and meet some real apprentices, individuals who are choosing a different path to success. These are the stories of young people who are not just learning a trade, but building fulfilling and impactful careers. Ella always loved science, especially the hands-on aspects, but she yearned for something more tangible than just theory. So, bypassing the traditional university route, she joined an aerospace apprenticeship, eager to apply her knowledge in a practical setting. She got involved in real projects from day one, helping design critical aircraft parts, all while earning her degree through the apprenticeship program. And now, just a few years later, she confidently leads a team of engineers. And she's debt-free. A huge advantage. Harry, on the other hand, was always a natural tinkerer, taking things apart and putting them back together since he was a kid. University never appealed to him, so he skipped it altogether and joined a railway apprenticeship, diving straight into the world of engineering. Now he's responsible for maintaining complex train systems, ensuring the smooth and safe operation of the railways, keeping thousands of commuters safe every day. Isabel had a passion for the environment, and after some convincing, she persuaded her parents to let her join a wind energy apprenticeship, a field that was still relatively new. She embraced the challenge, learning on the job, braving tough outdoor conditions and mastering the intricacies of wind turbine technology. Today, she's a project manager, overseeing the development and implementation of clean energy projects, making a real difference in the fight against climate change. And these aren't just rare, exceptional stories. They're happening in workshops and engineering facilities all across the UK, a testament to the power of apprenticeships. Apprenticeships provide a fantastic opportunity, letting young people from all backgrounds, regardless of their academic achievements, build real, sustainable careers and achieve their full potential. Success in today's world isn't just about academic degrees and theoretical knowledge. It's also about practical skills, real-world experience, and the ability to make a tangible difference in the world. Apprentices are proving, time and again, that practical talent and hands-on expertise is just as valuable, if not more so, than academic brilliance in many fields. With dedication, hard work, and the right opportunities, they're building their futures from the ground up, brick by brick, forging successful and rewarding careers. Why are so many young Brits choosing apprenticeships? First, the money. You earn a real salary while others rack up debt. Financial independence means you can save, support your family, or just enjoy life. But it's more than cash. It's about starting a real career early. You learn workplace culture, teamwork, and problem solving by doing, not just reading. By the time university grads finish, apprentices already have years of experience and a professional network. There's pride in building real things, seeing your work in the world. And because companies design the training, apprenticeships lead directly to in-demand jobs. It's a secure, clear path to a great future. Scene transition. In India, the focus is on academic achievement and tough entrance exams. This system produces brilliant minds, but many graduates find their skills don't match what employers need. Companies spend time retraining new hires, and graduates struggle to find the right jobs. The UK model closes this gap. Companies define the skills, and training is built around real-world needs. Imagine combining India's academic strength with the UK's hands-on approach. You'd have engineers who understand theory and can build, fix, and innovate. It's about creating more ways to succeed, not just one. How can India build its own world-class apprenticeship system? First, industry and education must work together. Companies should help design what's taught. Next, change the perception. Apprenticeships are not second best, but a respected path to success. Celebrate apprentice stories and create role models. The government can help by making it easy for companies to hire apprentices and by setting high standards. A national online portal for apprenticeships would make access simple and transparent. Invest in top-notch training centers and support great mentors. Blend India's strong theory with practical training to set a new gold standard. This could create a generation of job-ready, innovative engineers. So here's the choice laid out before you, a pivotal moment. The path ahead diverges, presenting a multitude of possibilities. It's a decision that could shape your future and contribute to the progress of our nation. Engineering is vast, a landscape of innovation and problem solving, and there's more than one way in. It's not just about textbooks and classrooms, it's about creativity, ingenuity, and a passion for building a better world. Apprenticeships offer a unique chance to learn by doing, to get your hands dirty and apply theoretical knowledge to real-world challenges. It's about gaining practical skills and building confidence through experience. Earn while you learn, gaining financial independence and valuable work experience simultaneously, and start your career strong with a solid foundation of practical skills and industry knowledge. If you love solving complex problems, designing innovative solutions, and building tangible things that improve lives, then this path is undoubtedly for you. It's a chance to make a real difference in the world. The future of India, its infrastructure, its technology, its very progress, will be built by engineers, the architects of tomorrow. They are the driving force behind innovation and development. On sites, overseeing construction, ensuring safety, and bringing designs to life. In labs, pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge, conducting experiments, and developing groundbreaking technologies. And in factories, optimizing production processes, ensuring quality control, and driving industrial efficiency. By demanding these opportunities, by advocating for better training programs and more accessible apprenticeships, you can help create a new system, a more equitable system, for millions of aspiring engineers. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Explore your options proactively, research different engineering fields, and identify the path that aligns with your passions and skills. Talk to teachers and parents, seek their guidance and support, and leverage their experience to make informed decisions about your future. And look for companies offering comprehensive training programs and valuable apprenticeships. Opportunities to gain practical experience and build a strong professional network. Be bold in your aspirations, be curious about the world around you, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, to experiment, to build, to create, and to learn from your mistakes. Whether you choose the path of university, with its rigorous academic training, or the hands-on experience of an apprenticeship, the ultimate goal remains the same: to build a brilliant career, a fulfilling life, doing what you love, and contributing to the betterment of society. The road ahead is yours to pave. Put your foot down, embrace the challenges, and go for it with unwavering determination and a passion for engineering. The world is eagerly waiting for what you will build, for the innovations you will create, and for the positive impact you will have on our planet.